So this is what we've packed. We have bathing suits, towels, hat, some electronics like a GoPro, my purse, another camera. I'm not sure if it's been charged. We got this new Tula Explorer, so baby and toddler carrier. It goes until they're 45 pounds. Super excited to check this out today. Just got this in the mail yesterday. Have not even checked it out yet, but woo, so excited. Lumbar support and her diaper bag. We also need to pack some bottles.
And here we are, ready to go!
Yay, let's go!
Very excited. I think she's ready to get on the road.
Let's do it.
All right.
Okay, we're entering Chichen. All right, we are here at Chichen Itza, and look at this amazing carrier. It's so comfortable. She looks comfortable. She's got her hat. Nate is got the stroller with everything. So excited. Hey, Nate.
Hi. Gotta go get our free tickets. Sundays are free ruin visits for people that are residents of Yucatan. A residencia Yucatan.
It is very busy today. Sunday, it's free for Mexicans and residents, so everybody's here. What's going on? Can we just go in with that? We're entering the Castillo at Chichen Itza.
The entrance felt really full, and then now it's not as full.
Yeah. This is baby's first real Maya ruin. This is one of the beautiful things about living in a place like the Yucatan is we walked by that beautiful Castillo pretty quickly because we've been here so many times, and there's a couple places we haven't really explored very much, like the Cenotes. So we're heading over there right now, but we took a little selfie, and baby's first time is pretty amazing. But a couple tips and tricks is just like we always forget. We bring our camera and we have a little microphone that attaches to it, and in a lot of these sites they don't allow you to really bring a camera, like a video camera, like a professional video camera. And so our camera also serves as like a photograph, like to take photographs with, so they're fine with that, but you can't bring the microphone attachment. So we had to leave the microphone with the guy at the entrance, like where you give them the tickets. We've done that before and we always forget, so just remember that. But anyway, walking along the path and trying to stay in the shade for the baby. She's got good coverage. Loving this new Tula Explorer carrier. Already like such a huge difference. The fabric is so soft and breathable and comfortable, yet very supportive. The piece that goes around your hips and like waist makes it so much more comfortable. So yeah, enjoying. We did the cenote once.
One thing we learned was a couple times ago when we took one of our tours, if it's just your first time, take a tour. You learn a ton. But everything in Chichen Itza was raised up on a platform. So you can see the wall behind me, and that's where the platform starts. And then this here, what we're walking on, is the sock bay, which is like a elevated pathway that connected different places for trade. So now they have all of their like people selling stuff on the sock bay, which could be what was here, 1,000 years ago. So pretty cool.
That's the other really great thing about this carrier is like I'm kind of been obsessed with Babywearing because she gets a little fussy if we're not moving around. So having a comfortable carrier that holds, like, distributes her weight really well. This distributes it more in the hips. Yeah, anyway, I've been obsessed with Babywearing, and just to have it that everybody's trying to sell this stuff, by the way, but to have her on me, like, she's happy, and then I get to move around and have my hands free, but she's also happy, and I also get to move freely, and she loves it when we move. So it's just a win-win-win. So yay!
I don't know the whole story about it, but I think that there was a reason why this one felt like the crystal clear, like the blue water you see in the other cenotes. I think that somebody did some work on it and damaged the connection to the other systems. I mean, I could see this as the pathway to the underworld.
Okay, so being one of the hottest days, and Yucatan is hot. I mean, this is not for the faint of heart. We are in the hot season. We have not yet reached the rainy season, so it is hot, it is dry. We try to stick to the shade as much as we can, so definitely recommend, if you can, kind of go along the edges around this main plaza, and you're gonna find a lot more tree coverage and shade, and there's a little breeze. We've got a fan.
She just is like her mom. She wanted to get out of that carrier. She was ready. Yay!
With the trees. Oh, our greatest little adventure, sweetie. She's smiling. Hi.
I can hold it for a while.
She's so cute. Let me just see this face. Hi. She's so smiling.
She just wanted to get out of that.
Yeah, she did. Aww.
We're performing the so-called Chichen Itza architecture style. Ooh, your mouth. All right. We are doing great now. She's an adventurer. Adventurers hate being locked in, tied down. So she enjoys the freedom to turn her head and see everything in the world, along with some rest attached to mom and dad. So I think she's gonna try to walk as fast as she possibly can. Yeah, so the first time at a Maya ruin for this little one thing we've learned, like, we used to spend, from whenever we would get here till close, we'd always be the last ones getting kind of chased out by security. When you're traveling with an infant or a small child, sometimes they dictate like how long you spend. So when she gets tired, hot, hungry, all of those things where, you know, it's not as comfortable inside here, because like her safety is really important to us. But also she likes to see everything. If you see her, she's not like hugging into me, she's like looking at the different buildings and the trees behind me.
Aww.
And the camera.
Hi, baby. Let me see your shirt. What does that say?
Our greatest adventure is about to begin. Yeah.
Yay! Special. Hi, sweetness. Oh, oh, that's beautiful.
Probably take her hat off right now.
Love Okay, that was pretty cool. That was a steam bath back there. As it was saying, like one of the oldest sort of structures in Mesoamerican culture. So around Mexico, the Maya, you know, all these different cultures. I mean, I'm half Navajo, so this sort of steam bath ritual, or, you know, like a sauna, or some way to basically have steam come into a little room. It could be made of stone, or it could be, you know, a temazcal, or it could be made of like a tent or cloth material. But anyhow, in order to purify the body before doing ceremony. So pretty amazing. It's so cool in here.
It's like, I know how to say those things.
Oh yeah. So a few years ago we came here in the thick of the pandemic, and we had never been to the observatory where we're going right now. And we were on this path, and a huge, like, lightning rainstorm passed through.
Just having a good time at Chichen Itza today.
Lightning all on top of us right now. So much water.
And we kind of got caught, and there were all these like little sidewalk tiendas. They were really nice. They had put up tarps and, you know, umbrellas and everything, and they protected us from the rain and lightning.
And I feel very lucky that we got these tents here.
And we bought a couple of things, of course, because we were hanging out there for a long time, probably 30 minutes. But they were really sweet. So good memories.
We survived. We bought some. We bought a mask.
Jaguar mask.
A jaguar mask. And now we're back to exploring Chichen Itza. And basically, it wiped everybody out of here. There's nobody left except for us. So, time to go explore.
It's a sunny day today, so that's good. Oh, hey guys.
Hi. So, we've been here to Chichen Itza. I think in the 6 years we've been here, maybe like we've been here 6 times. Maybe more, maybe like 7 times. Usually when family comes. I don't know what it is, but maybe it's just such a big place that we haven't ventured over here. We've only been to the other cenote one time, the sacrificial cenote. But this is the second great cenote of Chichen Itza.
Yeah, and look, this little guy has been peeking over. There's a little iguana, and then there's birds, like really cool birds everywhere.
What a green space, look at that.
Cenote Slok. Slok. Okay.
It's amazing, the space though.
Yeah.
So cool.
Hey.
So this is like past the observatory. It's one last like amazing building, but it's probably the best decorated building in all of Chichen Itza. So if you have like the time, like skip El Castillo or go see it for a little bit, but this is definitely one of the cool ones to see.
Hot bird. He's just sitting. I wish I had a long lens. Oh.
So we ruined until we dropped today. She's out.
Ruined my Sunday.
Our first ruined my Sunday. We go to a different ruin on every Sunday.
Because
Because they're free for people that are residents.
Alright, that was a pretty amazing day, just kind of an impromptu trip to Chichen Itza. Pretty incredible, and yeah, it's just so beautiful.